Hey guys, John the pilot. It's been a hot minute. My poor truck needs new tires. Let's see how many miles at. I bought a used Toyota Tacoma. I've got 73,630 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick the tires that came with the truck. I got a 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4. These are the original Wranglers 265/70 R16s, and you can see how bad they are. I got 70,000 miles on these puppies. I'm getting some BFG Goodrich KO2s, low D range, because I plan on making a truck camper. But anyway, I wanted to show how bad these were. Unfortunately, these tires are not the best. They came with the truck. Horrible, horrible ride. And quite honestly, it's time for some new ones. So I ordered the tires on Black Friday, and BFG right now is only giving a $100 rebate towards the purchase of these tires. There's nothing special about them. Or excuse me, they're really, really popular tires for the Toyota Tacoma. I've read through all the forums. I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. Plus I want something that's gonna look nice and it's also gonna ride nice and be able to handle the weight. But with all that said, I'm going to Tire Kingdom right now to see if I can get them installed. And then I'm gonna talk about how they are after I have them installed. Stick around. One thing I forgot, Tire Kingdom is being bought by Mavis, or they are in the process of transferring over. So I've got to look for my alignment package that I have, and I got to make sure that I can prove I have it, or else they're not going to honor it here. So if you are a person who's with Tire Kingdom and you bought that 5-year alignment package, make sure you have proof that you have it, so that way you have it done. Program wheel alignment confirmed. Awesome. I do have it. Woohoo! Found it! Tires gotta go. Oh, that rot. Ugh. Should never have let them get this bad. Talk about bad traction. Anyway, yeah, these Wranglers unfortunately have real bad ride even when they were new. That's just too cheap to buy new tires. Well, there they are installed. These are supposed to be one of the best for the Tacoma, so let's see how they ride. So I just got the KO2s. I'm driving on my car. All right, total cost out the door was $1424.21, and they're offering a $100 rebate if you submit all your stuff through BFGoodrich. That's about the best deal I could find, and I know I needed tires bad because you can see in the previous shots, those tires look like inner tubes, and they were those Goodyear Wranglers that have really, really bad reviews, and I just wore the crap out of them, and they are the original tires that came with the truck. When I bought this thing used, with 7,000 miles. So, okay, they're at about 36 PSI a piece. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, they feel very smooth compared to what I was dealing with in Goodyears. So far I'm really impressed. Yeah, huge difference. And yeah, on those Goodyear Wranglers, you'd slow down to a specific speed and you can feel the vibration of the tire. And my buddy's got a brand new TRD Pro. His TRD Pro has got those Goodyear Wranglers that came with him. And as soon as he slows down to below about like 15 miles per hour or so, he gets a good vibration throughout the whole truck. So those tires are garbage as far as I'm concerned. I'll never buy them again. But anyway, I'm impressed with these KO2s. I think this is gonna be my tire of choice moving forward in any vehicle that I buy. Most likely any vehicle I buy is gonna be a truck. And I'm just doing about 25 miles an hour right now through the area that I'm driving. But so far, I like them. I like them a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and get the car up to about, 60 miles an hour freeway driving range and see how that works. If you can hear that droning, it's because I bought MBRP exhaust. I think I went the real cheap route to get a 3-inch exhaust. It was like 260 bucks. I'll put a link in the description below. I thought it would give me better performance. Can't tell you if it was just that. I do have better performance, but I added a lot of things to my Tacoma, and I'll talk about that. There they are right now, showing about 30, they're going up to about 37 PSI. I got the load range ease because I'm gonna build a truck camper for the bed, and I wanna be able to handle more weight. Right now, just driving through some traffic. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm gonna get a wash, and I'm gonna get some tire shine put on them. See how they look after they're installed. Yeah, I guess they don't look too bad. I think I may have to end up getting some bigger spacers though, because the other tires, those Goodyears seem to be bigger. But let me see. There you go. BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s. Yep, load range E. Heck yeah, that's what I wanted. So these can handle a crap ton of PSI. Awesome. They drive real smooth. I like them. All right. So So why did I pick the KO2s? The KO2s were probably the best bang for the buck that I wanted. Now, Mickey Thompson makes some amazing tires. God, but they're expensive. It's like $3,500 for a set, probably more than that. So the only thing I could convince my wife was the KO2s, and those ended up running $280 per tire. I called Costco, they wanted $289. I called Tires Plus, actually I went to Tires Plus, they were $330 a tire for the load range E tires that I got. Tire Kingdom ended up being the best deal at $280.99 a tire. Plus I got to keep my alignment package. You saw me rifling through my stuff to figure out where it was. So, and also through the forums, a lot of people were saying how great the KO2s are. So far I'm pretty impressed. I've only got about 10 miles on them, but they definitely ride way better than what I had on there before. If you like this video and you got some value out of it, smash that like button, give me a subscription, throw me some comments below. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, whatever you need. I plan on doing some more Toyota Tacoma videos, talking about what I did to update mine, nothing crazy. But until then, John the Pilot, see ya.